In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail using Leonardo AI. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Google account ready since we'll need it for signing in. Now let's start the process by heading over to the Leonardo AI app. This is your go-to platform for generating AI-powered images, videos, and designs. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to app.leonardo.ai. Once there, look for the Sign In button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this will prompt you to select a method for signing in. For convenience, we'll choose to sign in with Google. After you click Sign In, a prompt will guide you to click on the Google button. This seamless integration makes logging in a breeze as it utilizes your existing Google credentials. Once you click, you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Here, simply select your Google account from the list provided. If it's not listed, you'll need to enter your email and password manually. This will take you back to the main interface of Leonardo AI, where we can start creating. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start designing. The next step is to click on Image from the menu options. This directs you to the image creation section where all the magic happens. Following this, click on Model. It's important to note that Leonardo AI offers various models tailored to different types of content, so explore these options as they can greatly influence the style and end result of your thumbnail. Once you're on the model page, proceed by clicking on Legacy. This step is crucial as it gives you access to a tried and tested framework that's reliable for generating designs. Then select the Graphic Design option from the list. This sets up the canvas for your thumbnail, providing tools specifically geared towards enhancing your graphic design experience. Now comes the creative part, typing in your prompt. Be as specific and descriptive as possible to guide the AI in generating content that aligns with your vision. You can also upload reference images if you have visuals that you'd like the AI to mimic or draw inspiration from. This feature is particularly useful for achieving a cohesive design that matches your existing brand or aesthetic. After you've entered your prompt and uploaded any reference images, it's time to click on the Generate button. This is where the AI works its magic, converting your vision into a finalized design. The process typically takes just a few moments, depending on the complexity of your request. Once generation is completed, you'll have a thumbnail that's ready to be used for whatever purpose you have in mind. And there you have it, a complete and accessible way to create a thumbnail with Leonardo AI. With these steps, you can explore and experiment to create eye-catching thumbnails that